Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to be making a club sandwich. So here's all of what you will need to make this sandwich. So here I have mayo, of course the bread, bacon, sliced tomato, romaine lettuce, but you can use iceberg if that's your choice, and I have the turkey. So I'm going to toast my bread in the toaster because I don't want to toast it in a pan or on a griddle using butter, because I want this bread to remain dry, because we're already gonna put the mayo on and I don't want it to. So this is how I'm gonna prepare the bacon for this sandwich. I have here an aluminum foil pan lined with some aluminum foil. Hey, easy cleanup for me. Less dishes. And it'll still come out super crispy as if you fried it in a pan or on a griddle. So you just lay them in, just like that, however you can fit them, and give them some space. Okay, so let's get to the next part. There's your bacon. I'm gonna pop this in the oven until it's completely done and crispy. And let's get to the next part. Okay, so the bacon is done and perfectly cooked, nice and crispy, as I promised. Okay, so the bread is beautifully toasted. There you go. So let's build this sandwich. Okay, first you want to start out with your mayo of choice. Just spread that along the bottom part of the sandwich, or the bottom bread. Put as little or as much as you like. Now I'm gonna put the lettuce. Now tomato. I have a rather large tomato. Well, I had. So I'm only gonna be using one slice for the bottom half of this. And to this tomato, I think I'm gonna add a little black pepper. I'm not gonna put any salt because you're already gonna get the salt from the bacon, so that's not necessary. I'm gonna sprinkle a little black pepper on there. Give it a little extra flavor. Okay, there you have it. Okay, now we're gonna hit it with the bacon. Now we're gonna have some turkey. Okay, now we're gonna hit it with the middle part of the sandwich, which is this layer of the bread. Okay, I have to put that way. Then put mayo on this side. Can't have a dry sandwich now, because remember, this bread is toasted. Just a little bit more. Okay, that looks nice to me. Okay, now we're gonna hit that with some more lettuce. Okay, that should do. Now for our tomato. I guess I'm gonna be using one more for this layer too. These things were big. Okay, okay. You know, let's squeeze one more in. Why the heck not? All right, here we go. Some more black pepper. Guys, this sandwich is gonna be the bomb. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel so that you can be notified when I make another video. So, now the bacon. Who wants that last piece of bacon? Maybe I should put this one here because I don't want this to fall. Okay, there we go. And to that bacon, we're gonna add more turkey. Okay, now we're gonna finish this off with the top. Okay, and there you have it. Boom. There's your turkey club. So now I'm going to place these toothpicks in to hold it in place before I cut it. So you want to put one here. On the side. Right here. All right, we did it, guys. All right, so let's cut this sandwich. Check the layers out, guys. Okay, so now it's about that time. Remember, you want to be careful cutting this because it has layers. Okay. Yeah. There we go. All right. And we are cut. So let's open that up and see what we looking like on the inside. Oh, look at those layers. Check that out. All right, look at that. Perfect. There you go, guys, your club sandwich. So what I'm gonna do right now is turn these pieces up like that. We gonna get us some chips on here. That's nice. Guys, what kind of chips do you like with yours? I know most people serve them with fries, but today for me, it's gonna be some chips. So I'm gonna do some plain and sour cream and onion. Drop them right there in the middle. There you go. Here we go with the sour cream and onion. Boom, right there. There you go. All right, so guys, there you have it. Your turkey club sandwich. All right, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification button so you can be notified when I post a video. And for now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a few. I'll see you guys in the next video.